What's up, y'all?
Hey, fam.
We found this here video by Abba and Preach, what I thought was very, very interesting. It says, the rise of lonely men.
Bruh.
That sounds really terrible. Anyway, but we're going to see what they talking about.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and push.
No, doesn't really matter. If he has goals, like if the salary's not amazing right now, but he has goals for himself and, you know, he's working towards something that's important to me, but everyone's in different places at different times. So I feel like immediate salary, just as long as we could still have fun.
If his bills are paid and he treats me right, I don't think money should be an object because it doesn't last forever.
It doesn't really matter what you're making right now, but if you're ambitious and you have like high expectations for yourself and high goals for yourself, then that's very attractive.
It is important because, you know, for me as a female, I plan to be making a certain amount at a certain age. And the man that I expect to be with, I want him to be a hustler and a go-getter too. And, you know, the harder you work, the more you work, the higher you're going to move up, the more your salary is going to...
Is there a number that stands out to you as like a decent salary? Like something that you would be like, okay, he needs to make this much money?
I don't think there's a number in mind, especially for right now, but I would say if he's not ever making more than, let's say, $100,000, then I would be a little bit worried about our future.
I'm good. Whatever. You saw how quick I shut the up? I asked you, I got the answer. You said wait, I waited, I got the answer. I shut the up now.
Let's keep listening.
Oh, wow.
Let's keep listening.
I would say enough to live a life of leisure, in a sense. Like not have to worry about your rent, your utilities, stuff like that, but also
That's reasonable.
Obviously a more desirable man would be able to take care of our kids, of myself, of our older parents. So I would say somewhere between $400K to whatever. Like, there's no bar.
You serious?
Yo! Oh my God, this is gonna red pill me so hard.
Where do
bro.
you live?
Oh my days.
And just mind you, we're in 2022. Like, where do you live?
The said 400 to the bar goes wherever. If you don't get the up out of here with your average looking, oh my days, get her out of here, bro. And you saw how reasonable everybody sounded? Oh yeah, you know, it doesn't really matter. 100K? You guys understand how high that is? That's like less than 1% of...
Remember your pressure points.
21,000.
Bruh. Bruh.
I kind of be at a loss for words sometimes, y'all, because I'm like,
What the f? Yep.
like I'm really sometimes waiting for like Ashton Kutcher to pop out from like, you remember the show Punked? Like, am I being punked? Because I'm just like, where do you find these people? Are people really that daft? Like, do you not understand that most of the people, we just gonna talk about here in the US of A. I can't speak about no other country. But do you not understand that the majority, about a good 90% of the population, don't make over $100,000 a year? This chick talking about something, yeah, live a life of luxury, you know, don't have to worry about rent, be able to take care of me, my kids, my parents, his parents, for us to be able to go do all this stuff.
Bruh.
What world do you live in? Remember, I said it before?
Bruh.
People live in Instagram lives. That's what it is.
Yeah.
They getting caught with the okie doke.
Yeah.
Because they really think that the pictures and all this stuff that you see online, like you Disneyfying life and really think that's how real life is. No, boo-boo. Most people live in check to check.
Bruh.
Talking about something I have to worry about rent. Yeah, that would be nice.
Oh, ooh, I got one. I got one. Ooh, check it. Look. Here's an interesting fact that I found out.
What?
Most people making over 100K Still living check to check.
That part. So it's like
Woo!
that's crazy.
Oh man,
No, but seriously, like where are these people getting their ideals from other than it's gotta be like social media? It's gotta be like Instagram. Like Instagram is like Disney of life, basically. Like people really think that people just be out here like parasailing,
balling out,
like on a week-to-week basis. Yep. Like people gotta no, stop believing the hype. They're lying to you, okay? It's about 3% of the population that could live like that. Like 3, literally.
And most of them, like the stuff you're talking about, most of them, like they have figured out a way to finagle it so that the lifestyle that they're living makes them money.
Yep.
Right.
Social media lifestyle is because they use their lifestyle to make money. So me putting up this video about me doing this amazing thing actually brings in money because people are going to watch it. I'm going to get ad revenue. Then I might have a sponsor and all of these other things. So me living this lifestyle, I actually have to record all of it and put it out. Mm-hmm. But like, that's the job. Y'all know how many people. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna try to look it up. I'm gonna try to look at how many people making over 6 figures is actually in social media, because that's what everybody seems to want. They want a social media influencer,
right?
Or somebody who lives that, because everybody else that makes that type of money got to work a lot of hours.
Yeah.
But y'all all want emotional commitment and vacations and time to take the kids to the basketball game, and you gotta take little Susie to the soccer game. Then you got none of your kids ever get sick. Nobody goes to the hospital. You don't go. Nobody has health problems. Life is all dandy all the time. The kids don't never get on my nerves. Everything is sweet and cute and nice. And Barney lives in our backyard. That's what y'all think it is. That's what y'all think it is. I'm going to try to look it up right now while she's talking, and I feel like we might not find it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to look. You have anything else you want to say? Because this don't make no daggone sense.
We didn't sink it.
I don't know. People just think life is just sprinkles and just fiestas all the time or something. I don't know. I'm just like, where do they find these people? Like, I don't know.
Oh, gosh.
Delusional. Very, very, very delusional.
Do you think that is most or a lot of women, more modern or younger women? Do you think that's most or because I know we always say that, but do you feel like that's most of them? Or
you know what? To be honest, I'm not 100% sure, because you know how to say birds of a feather flock together.
Mm-hmm.
The younger generation, like the people in their 20s and stuff like that I'm around, that I have access to, like, I have my nieces, cousins, and all that kind of stuff or whatever. Mm-hmm. That's not their mentality.
Okay.
Like they are a little bit more realistic. Well, one of them she might be a little on the fence, just to keep it 100. But for the most part, they're pretty realistic as far as like guys, especially around their age. They're not looking for a guy around their age to be making like 6 figures. Like.
Okay, so we have a few things.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have what percentage of social media influencers make a certain, over a certain event.
Okay.
All right. A micro influencer, someone with 10,000 to 50,000 followers, can earn anywhere between 40 to 100,000 per year. Most of them, I'm gonna tell you right now, is somewhere around the 40, 50, right? Mm-hmm. But at least you're making that 50 grand doing what you want to do.
Right. That's half the battle right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Can I get an amen? Yes!
And then, of course, influencers with millions of followers can earn tens of thousands of dollars per post. Maybe I need to look up. I want us to start to
be realistic.
Be realistic. Like them women, because I'm seeing more and more. You remember the woman? Did you see the woman, the African-American young lady with very average looking, who was seemed like she was doing well, was saying that she was going to have like a $200,000 engagement ring?
Oh, yeah.
What man that's making the money to afford that is going to Why would he be? No, bump that. I'm not gonna be with you know, I don't know, Khloe Kardashian clone, but everything's real on her and she models for Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna be with you. Because honestly, because the money is so important, he can't trust either one of y'all. At least he could get somebody that look banging.
Yep.
We ain't got much else. We don't got much to say about this. It's just, what the hell? That's all we got to say about the video. What the hell? Bye, y'all. I'm sorry. I saw that video. I got pissed off. It was stupid. Peace. Make no sense.